Hello YouTube! Have you ever wondered how you can generate high quality coloring pages and coloring books very quickly and without being a professional artist? Well, guess what? You can do this with an AI tool that I found, and I'm going to tell you guys about it. Subscribe to the channel, like this video. Without further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to tell you guys about an AI tool called coloringbook.ai, and the link is in the description. Go ahead and click that to be able to find the exact tool I'm using today. And so when you are on the Coloring Book homepage, you can go ahead and sign up for the service, and after you make an account, go ahead and start. I'm going to hit start for free now, and then you're presented with your dashboard, and I'm going to be going over the features here so that you guys can know how to use it. So I've already, of course, been testing it out, and so on the side here are a couple of generations that I've already generated, and so they have a option that says image to coloring pages. So what you would do is upload an image that you already have, and it will convert it to a coloring book style page, a coloring page. And they also have text to coloring pages. And these are a couple ones I already generated, but you can actually type in what you want in this text field, a prompt to generate the coloring page that you want. So what I'm going to start out with is I'm going to show you guys the text to coloring pages, and that's the tab to the left here. You click on it and it takes you to that feature. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in the prompt that I want. And what about a cute turtle? So I'm going to say generate a cute turtle. And so I don't really have any other preferences besides a cute turtle. And then it also has this feature called prompt enhancer, whereas when you toggle it off, it gets rid of this difficulty level. If you toggle it on, you can select from toddler, children, teenagers, adults. So I'm gonna choose a difficulty children, and you can select the dimensions 2 by 3, 1 by 1, 3 by 2. I'm gonna go ahead and do 1 by 1, and then after that you have some premium features that you can play around with. But I'm going to go ahead and hit generate so that our character will generate from my prompt, which is a cute turtle. And so here is our cute turtle, and you can see it generated 2 of these. And so yeah, it looks like a turtle on a rock, and you can click on this, and then here you can see your coloring page, and then you can download it as a PNG or download as a PDF, or you can actually color it online and public. It actually publishes it to the local public network that they have, and then they actually also have a remix button where you can remix the picture here. And then after that, you can go ahead and do what you want with it. So I'm not going to download it, but I will show you guys the online coloring really quick. So you can select this button, online coloring, and it will bring up a place where you can actually color it online, where you can actually select the brush and you can select from different colors here. And so for instance, I can use the fill bucket and fill like the background area, which I can choose, the different colors I want to fill the background, and probably in a swamp environment. So let me go ahead and select that and select that. And so I'm going to go ahead and select that color, and then this down here is the water, or probably could be a greenish water too. And then this turtle, he's probably more of a maybe a dark green, I would say. So we can go ahead and select that, and so then I can fill this with the color. And so yeah, that's how the online color feature works. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this, and I'm going to go ahead and go back to the image to color pages feature. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a couple sample images that I have ready here. First of all, I have another sample image of some superheroes, and this is the sample image that I am going to load to this coloring book program. And I wanted to show you guys what it looks like, the before picture, really quick before I load that. So I'm gonna go ahead and load that at this time into the actual thing, and I'm going to, it's going to be this picture, and then you have features where you can say preserve faces, better for photos with faces, or you can also say remove background, better for messy backgrounds, and a premium feature called upscaling as well. But I'm going to go ahead and generate that. And so remember, this is my picture that I had before, and it's my very own picture that I uploaded. And so after you upload your own picture, it will modify that picture and make it into a coloring format. So I'm gonna wait for that to load, so I'm gonna pause the video and I'll be back shortly. Alright, as you can see, it has produced the images for me, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on one of them and see what it looks like. And so here we go. And alright, and so I was able to remove the color so that you can be able to color these characters accordingly. And I think it turned out pretty good. It was able to remove even like the special effects and things like that you can kind of fill in your own special effects. And so that looks good. And then again, you can also download as PNG, or download as PDF, or you can do the online coloring feature. And up here you can have the coloring page and the original image, so you can compare back and forth of the difference between the two. And you can also do the slide to compare to see the difference between what it has produced here. So yeah. So with this program, it's very easy to use. You can create color pages in a matter of seconds, and also the pages are equivalent to about 10 cents, which is very cheap, because you can make a whole coloring book, professional coloring book, in seconds, and you can resell these coloring books and make a pretty good profit if the people buy your coloring books. And they'll probably have a pretty good chance because it already looks professional. So I'm going to select another test image that we can try here and see how it turns out. So I'm going to go back to the image to coloring pages. Remember, there's two main modes. There's the text to coloring page, where you could actually type in a prompt to produce the image, or you can go ahead and upload your own image. Again, I just wanted to review that, and so now I am going to upload another image that I wanted to show you guys. I'm going to go ahead and upload this one. This is a realistic picture, and I'm going to see how it handles a realistic looking portrait. To actually go there, and then I'm going to go ahead and upload that image here to the program, and we're going to go ahead and hit generate, and then I'm going to pause the video and make a return once it's done generating. Alright, the image has finished generating, and it has a couple of options here for us. I'll go ahead and select this option here, and then so this is what it looks like. It is an actual coloring bookified picture of a realistic portrait. And so again, you can choose the original image and the coloring image, and so you could choose these different types of images, family images, pet images, children images, any kind of image really, and be able to change it into a coloring page. And here's how it looks when using the slider as well. And yeah, let me do one last picture for you guys. This photo here, which is, this is going to be the last image I test real quick, and so it's going to be this image of a portrait of a dog. So I'm going to upload the image of the dog that I just showed you guys, and I'm going to upload it here really quick. And so the image of the dog is the puppy one here. Then I'm going to upload that, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit generate, and it's going to generate the picture of the dog. And stay tuned. Alright, there we go. So we have these two options again, and I'm going to go ahead and select this option, and well, boom, there you go. Here is a coloring bookerized version of our image that we uploaded. And here's the original one, here's the coloring one, and here's the slide scale again. And I really like this tool. It's pretty neat and convenient, and you can really make these very quickly, and have a hobby of coloring these or reselling these or whatever you want to do with these. Or if you have a nice art project you want to make, you can really use this to help you. And so, alright, that's what I wanted to show you guys today. Go ahead and play around with this for yourself. I could play around with this for a lot longer, but this video will be very long. But now it's time for you to go and try it out for yourself. The link is in the description. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. And until next time, peace.